we've made it to test run time. All right, I got it wired up for DC. Let's give it a try and see what we got here. Okay. First, we're going to check, see if it moves to the right. It should move to the right with the arrow set to the right. And it does. Okay. Whoops. We went off. Workbench yard limits are in effect. We can only go that far. Okay, let's bring back. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so let's take a listen. Let me see if I can make it just a little bit quieter, and see if we can do this. Okay, here it comes. You can see him moving in the mirror back there. That is quiet. Can you believe that? This is an AHM, maybe even a lifelike, or a combination of both, from a long time ago. Let's hear that again. Silicone drive shafts. Okay, we'll let them go over there and bring it back. What do you think of that? I would say that's pretty good. All right, let's try a switch on them. So let's see if we can get him to. We want him to cross some switches. Okay, so let's take a look here. So we're going to do a number 6 to a number 4. All right, now he doesn't have a lot of extra weight. He's just a tiny bit right now. It's just basically got the stock lead weight. Oh yeah, by the way, those frogs there are unpowered. And if you noticed, this frog here is pretty big. That's almost the length of the truck. And we put in that extra power pickup in them, and looking pretty good. See how slow we can go. Think we can make it? We got the torque to make it. Okay, you can tell the power is low because this spotlight isn't even lit. That's how low the power is. Now you watch, I'll turn up the power a little bit. You'll see that spotlight light up. See that? We're going slow enough that spotlight is not even lit. Silicone drive shaft. All right, let's take a look at them. Let's bring them right over here and take a look. See what we got. All right, now. Usual wiring. We've already seen how we did the trucks with the jewelry wire coming up PC board. Out the PC board, red and black. That direction's forward, so the red is on this side. Up to the PC board on top right here. Now this yellow is a jumper from this strip to this one that goes to the motor. So to put a decoder in, which would go right here, you remove these two wires, and then your decoder, your red and black power are on this outside, and then your orange and gray motor are on the inside here. Easy to do. Middle three are for lights. Bridge rectifier is going to be for some constant lights. Same setup on the front again. And that's it. It's nice. Now we're going to put some lead weight in the shell, and we're going to try to do some fiber optic headlights. See if we can't do that. But otherwise, looking good.